Click on the link below to get price. The 20x3.0 electric bike tire is an exceptional choice for e-bike enthusiasts looking for durability, performance, and versatility. Designed specifically for electric bikes, this fat tire boasts a robust construction that can handle various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. One of the standout features of the 20x3.0 tire is its impressive grip. The wide surface area provides stability and traction, enabling a smooth ride even on slippery or uneven ground. This is particularly important for riders who venture off-road or in inclement weather. The tread pattern is thoughtfully designed, featuring deep grooves that channel water away, reducing the risk of hydroplaning in wet conditions. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the tire's compatibility with standard 20-inch rims. It fits snugly and securely, ensuring that you won't have to worry about frequent adjustments. The 3.0 width offers substantial cushioning, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize comfort. Riders will appreciate how it absorbs shocks and bumps, providing a more pleasant experience on longer rides. Durability is another strong point. Made from high-quality rubber compounds, these tires resist wear and tear, making them a reliable option for daily commuting or weekend adventures. The sidewalls are reinforced, which adds to their longevity and protects against punctures, a common issue with thinner tires. However, it's worth noting that the added width may slightly increase rolling resistance compared to narrower tires. This could impact battery life and speed, especially on flat surfaces. Yet, for most riders, the trade-off is well worth the enhanced control and stability. Overall, the 20x3.0 electric bike tire is a game-changer for anyone seeking a versatile, durable, and high-performing tire for their electric bike. Its balance of comfort, grip, and durability makes it a worthy investment for both casual and serious riders alike, ensuring an enjoyable riding experience.